Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace a shift knob on a BMW E60. So you can make it from this to this. Let's have a look how it's done. First, you will start by putting the ignition in the on position. After turning the ignition on, you have to switch the car in neutral, as this is the only position where we can remove the old shifter. After that, press the release button and pull straight up with a lot of force. Try to use both hands, as this will make it easier to release the shift knob. After removing the old shift knob, you can see the rod that operates the shifter's release mechanism. Grab your new shifter and remove the packaging. And try not to exaggerate you looking at the shifter, because it was only for video purposes. So let's move along. Insert the rod into the shift stick. Press the release button and press down, making sure everything is lined out correctly. Use your flat hand to firmly push the shift knob into place. Finally, run through the gears to check everything functions properly. Now you're done. Like, subscribe, until the next one.